Now a concept is esters. Esters are generally prepared when acid is reacted with alcohol. The outcome is esters. So we have to represent with written form. Generally, acids are expressed with RCOOH. Here R indicates alkyl, any type of. Then we have to represent alcohols with ROH, means anyone alcohol with anyone alkyl with OH2. Then ultimately, when you take the help of concentration H2SO4 with a little quantity, ultimately we can able to get RCOOR, means here R and here R. So this is represent about alcohols alkyl, and this R indicates yes, what are the acid alkyl we take, right? So this is the general representation. Simply this formation we call as esterification. Esterification. So this one we have as a lab activity that we can able to discuss right now. Understood, children? We are going to discuss about the lab activity in carbon compounds, that is esterification. So in that aim is preparation of esters. So whenever you have a lab activity, first we have to write aim. So what is the aim? Preparation of esters or esterification. That is the first heading, aim. After that we have materials required. Materials required. So what materials are required here? So here if you take the condition, first we have to take a beaker. In beaker we have to fill with water, and we take one more test tube here, and it is able to place on the stand, right, with a stable purpose, and we should get one more help of a burner. These are the minimum required. Then if you look into the chemicals to prepare the esters, so here I taken one acid. The acid name is ethanoic acid, CH3COOH, we call as ethanoic acid. Then I taken here one alcohol, that is C2H5OH, we called ethanol. Then I taken first in a test tube, right? In test tube, first we have to take 1 ml of acetic acid or ethanoic acid with 1 ml quantity of ethanol, that we have to take in a particular test tube, right? After that, we have to add 2 to 3 drops of concentrated H2SO4 or concentrated sulfuric acid. So that we have to add with the dropper. Then that particular, whatever the test tube, we fill it with different quantities of acetic acid and ethanol, we have to place in a water bath. So this one, water bath means a beaker consisted or filled with water. So when you place in the water beaker, you have to slowly arrange the fire. Then whatever the heat is providing to the water temperature is slowly rises. On rising of water temperature, so it is also able to heat the particular these two chemicals. Then ultimately these two are getting reacted. On reacting, here H is there, here OH is there. These two are able to remove in the form of H2O. Then ultimately this remaining part of C2H5 is going to attach with the CH3COO. Then ultimately it can able to prepare CH3COO C2H5. This particular compound we call as ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. Then ultimately this compound we call as ester. When this ethyl acetate is formed, we can able to get a sweet smell. Smell is in sweet form. It takes minimum 10 to 15 minutes of time. So after that particular time, whenever you got a smell as sweet, then that able to give the clarity, yes, we got the compound of ester. What's the ester here? Here, ester is ethyl acetate. Right, children? Understood?